The coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, originated in the city of Wuhan, China. COVID-19 is believed to be transmitted primarily through inhalation. Once infected, most people experience mild symptoms, including sore throat, headache, fever, a dry cough, shortness of breath, and fatigue. However, in a subset of patients, the virus attacks the lungs, causing a much more serious infection. Small air sacs in the lungs add oxygen to your blood cells. This oxygen is then transported to organs and tissues throughout the body. When the coronavirus attaches to a cell, it begins to replicate within the cell. The body's immune system attempts to destroy the virus, which results in an inflammatory response that causes fluid accumulation in the lungs. As the lungs fill with fluid, the body's available oxygen decreases, which can lead to organ injury and death. The risk of serious complications increases if a person is elderly or has associated medical conditions. Once infected, a person may show no symptoms but can still infect others. What began in Wuhan has now spread across the globe.
A new type of coronavirus has emerged from the city of Wuhan in China. Within weeks, it has spread to several countries and has killed multiple people. Corona refers to the virus's distinctive shape. They are a large group common among mammals and birds. But in rare cases like this one, they can spread to humans, a process known as zoonosis. This new virus is the 7th known human coronavirus, and it affects the respiratory system. Some coronaviruses have mild symptoms, however others are much more dangerous. SARS and MERS are both coronaviruses. The most urgent question is, how does it spread? It seems that the virus can be transmitted between humans, but it's still unclear whether this happens routinely. Some early severe cases caused a lot of concern, but this has receded slightly as more mild cases turn up. The new virus does not seem to be as deadly as SARS, which killed around 11% of the people it infected. Researchers think that the virus originated in an unknown animal at a market in Wuhan. Identifying that animal could help control the current outbreak and gauge its threat going forward. The virus's genetic code could offer clues to its origins and spread. Labs in China and Thailand have sequenced at least 19 strains from infected people and made them publicly available. Analysis is ongoing. There are no known drugs that can effectively treat coronavirus infections in humans, and no vaccines are currently licensed. But researchers are working on the problem. One possible avenue is to block the receptor the viruses use to infect humans. With more cases being reported every day, the race is on to contain the outbreak, and scientists are at the heart of the effort.